the expanding Earth was that, right, yeah, it doesn't quite make sense, does it? The ones that could fly are the ones with feathers and hollow bones. The ones that didn't have feathers and hollow bones got a little bit too heavy because the Earth started getting it doesn't make, you can't make it make sense now, right? It's like, there's no way to make it make sense now.
It's
it can't
easy.
fly.
It's easier to explain expanding surface area, but you can't have mass coming out of nowhere, Jack.
No, that's what everybody gets
You
stuck.
can't have increasing gravity
No,
over time.
Everybody gets, you can. Now, Avery, how come nothing is as big as sauropods now?
Well,
How come nothing is as big as a tyrannosaur now?